Welcome back. Today I'll be showing you all how to add and remove members from Teams. Open Microsoft Teams. Click three dots next to the theme name. Choose Manage Theme. Under Members, click Add Member. A prompt will appear to add members. Choose your member and click Add. And close the tab. Under Members, choose the X mark under Roles for those you would like to remove from the group. In order to add and remove members, you need to be the owner of the group. And that's how you add and remove members in Teams.